G.O.D. Better ask with him. He ain't missing me. He's just mad at me. Might be mad at me 'cause yesterday I was feeling kinda crazy. I yelled at no light, but here we go again in circles of another flow. Then these other fuckers wanna open up, think that I'm feeling kinda crazy. Like jealous is not my phase. I don't have to be jealous. I'm a real woman. Is all that you got right here. I don't have to be jealous 'cause I can get mine. I can get mine all day, every day, anytime. I wanna need, I need you. I got it for you, you just need to please. Please stop begging me to be. I'm not just me.
Lalabasan ng mga itlog ng mga itlog na halos ko.
Some call me canine, some call me canine, some call me Steve. Just let you know, it's on me, it's on me. So turn it over for me and Cassie. We gotta throw in the back, he's rolling the sack, and he's riding downtown with his gat in his back. Price crazy, yeah, it's crazy. He will flow to the beat and ride him outside and he's strong and not for me. Yeah,
Ang
here we go with this cat all around.
pasayo ko.
Speak of your own, I'm a good
Ito, Triste, mamen. Marunong kang drop deal. Kapil tayo.
More whole magsabihin sa'yo. Kung hindi ka
Ayun pa daw yung magkikalit sa'yo. Kasi if you know, marami akong karawang
with your toes, with your Nikes on, we'll see who
You're the
is
English
low.
guys. Tagalog and English, bro.
I can do both. I was doing both.
Oh yeah, pero ang galing ng English mo, men. Kuha-kuha mo yung rhymes, yung flow.
You didn't even hear Tagalog though.
Okay, okay nga. Magtatagalog ka.
That's a good beat though.
That's a good bit. Yan ang learning eh. Dito ka mag-learn muna natin. Tinuro sa akin ng kaibigan Tuto.
I already know how. I've been doing this forever.
Yeah. About your daughter, you said nag-gano'n siya.
Yeah, magaling siya. But they're shy, you know what I'm saying? They're not they're almost there to fearless. You gotta be fearless, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just take it, just loving yourself. Just loving yourself.
Loving yourself, believe in yourself.
Loving yourself and believe
Ako
in
rin.
yourself.
Hindi. Pati rin sana ako. Lahat tayo believe in yourself. Kailangan mabalik sa atin
He
yun.
looks angry, that's why I'm not feeling happy.
Why?
I don't know, he looks angry.
I know. But the beat is good. Anong gusto mong
That's
beats?
good. I like
Huh?
that. I like it. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
Oh.
Dali. Okay.
Sabi nila, let it be.
Ito pala yun.
Sabi nila, let it be.
Your skin renews every 27 days.
Ay,
It's in your nature to glow.
wala ko na ipon.